Welcome back to my Muse tutorial. In the previous class, we looked into the interface of Muse. Before transforming our music ideas, let us know some basic theory about music. And a few classes will be on music theory. Music came first before the music terminologies. Like any other music governed by like any other language governed by grammar, music too is governed by rules and grammar. Sounds are transcribed into a particular written language to read and understand the composer's ideas in music. Hence, learning to read and write sheet music is like learning a new language. Hence, it demands some amount of music theory knowledge to understand sheet music, to read and to write. It is believed that music terminologies had its birthplace in Greek. Greek writers like Pythagoras, Aristotle laid the foundation for the present day Stave notation. Greek musicians wrote their music ideas in a set of 5 lines, horizontal lines named Stave. This is the figure. Okay, there are 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Music ideas is always read from left to right, like any language, like our English or Tamil language. In 15th century, French musicians added many lines to the existing 5 lines to play different instruments and bass instruments simultaneously. They were named as treble clef, and bass clef. So the treble clef resembles this way. It is like inverted S, which starts from the second line, which is called G. The line is named as G. Hence, treble clef is also called a G clef. Coming to this bass clef, it is called F clef because it starts in the line F. It looks as if it is an inverted C. And just look into this one. If you see here, this is the treble clef, the horizontal lines which is called staves, and this is the treble clef which starts in the second line, which is named as G. And this treble clef is used to write higher notes. And this is the bass clef, and the bass clef is similar like an inverted C with 2 dots followed by 2 dots, and it starts from the line top second, that is third line or fourth line from the bottom, 1 2 3 4, which is a F note, and it is also called F clef or bass clef. Okay, so this is a treble clef and bass clef, and these stave lines and spaces are numbered 1 to 5 from bottom. So the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and spaces 1 2 3 4, and this is simply for the convenience to write music, to understand, to read without any confusion. So this is a basic of music notation. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Please place your comments and doubts.